the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I am in downtown Alexandria. I am planning on doing a little shopping, checking out some of my favorite stationery stores that are down here and enjoying the beautiful spring weather. So I thought I would bring you guys along. Let's go. Okay, so my first stop was Penny Post, and it is a stationery and paper goods store. I will make sure to link them down below. It is a bright and colorful shop full of all things paper and stationery, and I absolutely love it. They have pens, they have inspiring books, they have beautiful stickers, a whole bin of washi tape that is really unique, and these are pieces that you don't find at other stores. And what I like about visiting this store is that they are always kind of changing up their displays. They're making it fresh and new, bringing in new things. And I think that is just so awesome because so often when you go into big box stores, it looks the same as it always has. And they might change for seasons, but that's it. However, Penny Post, they're going to change all the time. They also offer different classes, throughout the week and throughout the year, and they have a pickup service as well. I just love coming to this store, and spoiler alert, I did find lots of goodies in this store that I will show you at the end of the video. It was just such a beautiful day, and I love shopping around Old Town Alexandria. I think it's just wonderful to walk around and really experience all of these great little stores. The next one I stopped in was Red Barn Mercantile, which leans a little bit more towards home decor. They have this huge toy section full of some really unique toys, and I love that because you can kind of get your kids get them less, but get them quality, get them unique toys that are going to inspire them. So fun to look at. But of course, the thing that caught my eye, you'll see in just a second, would be some rainbow colored rugs. They were so beautiful. I just wanted to take them all home. Look how gorgeous all of these colors were for the spring and summer. I love it. off to another stop. I stopped at Anthropologie, which I realize is not shopping small. That is obviously a larger chain store, but I love stopping in at Anthropologie. It carries clothing and housewares and lots of self-care items, just beautiful pieces that I find inspiring, generally out of my price range, but I love exploring in here. It definitely gives you a sense of trends and gives you some wonderful ideas. I do like shopping the sales section at Anthropologie or finding those few pieces that I'm willing to save up for. But this was a beautiful store that was 2 stories, lots of space to move around, which I very much appreciated. And it was just gorgeously set out. Absolutely beautiful. Lulu is a store that I have been visiting forever, and it is so cute. It's a ton of local artists. So they carry things from local creators. They do have some larger brands, but I just love all of the quirkiness that you can find in this store. I think it is super cute. They have a ton of jewelry, lots of bags, a few pieces of clothing, just a great place for gifts, especially. You guys, I was quickly becoming obsessed with these Scout bags. If you've ever had one of these, let me know below how it worked out. I thought it was so cute. I ended up not picking one up, but I really, really, really wanted to. I was just trying to stay on budget, but how cute would this bag be just to carry around? Maybe my planner supplies? Love it. One of my main reasons for coming to Old Town was to check out Paper Source. Paper Source has filed for bankruptcy, but this store is still open and it is a beautiful store, but I was pretty disappointed. It felt very cluttered. It felt very disheveled. Perhaps they were in the midst of changing things over after Mother's Day, but it just felt like a ton of stuff and it did not feel very curated in this case, which is something I have always liked about Paper Source, how they pick different things from different collections and bring them together and kind of show you how to create some unique paper pieces. And that is just not something I experienced this time. It felt kind of crowded. It felt a little incomplete in parts. There were just boxes up in different places, and that might be a result of the bankruptcy. I don't know. So it wasn't as great of experience as I remember. Of course, I still saw lots of cute things. Rainbows will always catch my eye, but nothing that I just couldn't live without in this particular store. and I definitely couldn't leave Old Town without stopping by to see the water. It was so beautiful, clear blue sky, and then I had to hike it up back to my car. But stay tuned, I will show you what I bought. Okay, so I had a lot of fun exploring a lot of really inspiring stores and beautiful things. The only place I ended up picking up some stuff was Penny Post, and let me share with you what I got. Okay, I picked up this paper doll. This is a little soccer girl. It looks kind of like Megan Rapinoe, who is my daughter's favorite soccer player. It says Meet Ella. It's a movable paper doll with a blank card and matching envelope, and I just thought my daughter would love this, so I picked this up for her. I actually picked up several different cards. I love these beautiful cards from independent artists, and I think it's so awesome to get to support them. So some really pretty thank you cards. Let me show these to you. So cute. This one was beautiful too. And then I really loved the kind of retro feel of this one. So a few thank you cards to give out, a couple of sets of stickers, one for me and one for a friend. These are called Worthwhile stickers, and you can find them at worthwhilepaper.com. So this one is all about plants, and I have a friend who happens to love plants, so that'll be perfect for her. And then this one is all about kindness and spreading love, and I thought that that would be awesome for my journaling. I got a few, let me find them all. I got a few stickers, some vinyl stickers that I really liked. So this one, it says, "We are all worthy of taking up space." I'll make sure to link all of these brands as well as the stores in the comments. This one says, "Support independent artists." This one says, "This must be the place." I love this sticker. And this one is telling me, "What do we want? Quiet time. When do we want it? More often," said every mom ever. And lastly, I picked up this book. This is called Words to Live By, 50 Inspiring Quotes by Inspiring Women. And I thought this would be great to keep in my craft room for when I am doing some journaling and looking for quotes and inspiration. I just thought this was a gorgeous, gorgeous book. Super pretty, and I cannot wait to check it out further. So those are all of the goodies I got. Thank you so much for coming shopping with me today. I hope you had fun checking out Old Town Alexandria and seeing all my little favorite stationery stores. I had a great time. The weather was beautiful. It was just nice to be out and about. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A special shout out to my YouTube members. You guys are awesome. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.